Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to open up this subscription box from Ginger Quilter. I just received it yesterday. It looks like it had a tough time going through the mail. It came with the rubber bands around it because it looks like it got opened. But this is the February box. Let's open it and see what's in here. So there's the box. Oh, there's some goodies in there. This is the Ginger Quilter box. Okay, let's see. This is the flying pig box. This is the flying pig box. You may have heard me mention before that I love flying pigs. They are a symbol of bravery, imagination, and hope. If pigs can fly, you can do anything. I wanted this month's box to be a nod to my favorite inspirational animal. Then she talks about what is in the box. Lollipops. I think my granddaughters will like these. The cute lollipops remind me of a pig's tail, curly and cute. One for you and one to share. Okay. There is thread. This is a Wonderfill thread, coordinating pink. I don't always use coordinating thread when piecing quilts, but considering the whole project this month is a peachy quilt, I thought this would be a perfect time for matching thread. It's amazing how invisible the seams become when you give it a try. It's a pretty color of thread. Flying pig chain, keychain. Okay, that's different. Huh. I've had this very same keychain on my keys for years now. If a flying pig can make me smile, a bedazzled flying pig will make my day. Let this little pig be a reminder to you of your ability to accomplish amazing things. Okay, then we have the fabric. We have this bundle. This is a curated fabric group to enhance all your projects. It's from Art Gallery Fabrics. Then there's two other pieces. These are pretty. Let's see. White Peachy Fat Quarter Bundle. The box started with these fabrics. This pretty peach bundle was an obvious yes. If you were concerned there would be actually pigs in your quilt, you can put your mind at ease. And I will show you, those are beautiful fabrics. I'll do a close up to show you what they look like. Let me see. Does it say how many? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 fat quarters in here. This is 10 fat quarters. Ooh, that's pretty. Butterflies. Real nice tone on tone. I always like those. Very pretty. This one, peach background with a little white flower. A solid peach. It's always nice to have. Cream background. Cream background with some cute little flowers. Lots of peach. I like peach. That's neat. That's beautiful with the geometric, almost a southwestern geometric design. Like this. Ooh, this is pretty. Very subtle. It's a big print of flowers, but it's very, very subtle on there. That's pretty. Little mini flowers. Cute. And the last one is this. Like a splatter. That's beautiful also. Fabrics are beautiful. I really do like them. And then these two pieces are, that's a half yard. Cute. Little bouquet of flowers on it. And this, I really like this. That's another one. That's a half yard. So there are two half yard pieces and then the fat quarter bundle. Beautiful fabrics. There's also a quilt pattern. It's called Bricks and Bows Quilt Pattern. Ah, okay. You can see the pattern there. Bricks and Bows 48 by 60 quilt pattern. And it uses 5 coordinating fabrics, half yard each, which I would imagine if you use 10 of these, that would work. Contrast fabric, binding. Half yard of the, okay, so you need a half yard for binding and a half yard for the contrasting fabric for this. That'd be a fast and easy quilt to make. We'll have to see. Here's what was in the Ginger Quilter box this month. Got the 2 pieces of fabric that are a half yard, one for the binding and one for little areas there, your contrast fabric. Might use this one, I'm not sure. Or I might use this for the binding. There's a little pig keychain. Candy. Wonderfill thread in a peach color. And then here are the fabrics. And then here's the pattern, Bricks and Bows. Color Master, a curated fabric group to enhance all your projects.